Good morning mga kagala. Nandito naman tayo. Pang-apat na araw natin dito sa Vietnam.
Uwi na tayo mamayang gabi.
Uwi na kami mamayang gabi. At kakain muna kami. Mag-aamusal muna tayo. Mag-aamusal muna kami. Pang-apat na araw namin to ngayon. Huling gala na. Huling gala. Tapos uwi na mamayang gabi. Amusal tayo. Kain tayo, kain. Kain. Madali lumamig ang kape. Kami din nando sa bus.
Iniwan na lang namin. Vietnam pigil.
Vietnam vertigo meron. Vietnam vertigo.
Ikaw, nagkaroon kang vertigo?
Vertigo na kami, di ba?
Oo. Sabi nga?
Ako rin, meron. Ako rin, meron.
Ano lang? Exercise lang.
Exercise lang ang ano ron.
Higa kayo sa lawit niyo puno siya.
Hirap ko kahit nakaigan.
It's the last day, so please, we're leaving the hotel now. Don't forget anything. One more time, I give you 1 minute to check again your belonging, especially your passport. Yes, passport. Your. Don't forget your husband. Pat your head, massage.
Massage.
Go to your neck, massage. Go to your shoulder, massage. Your arm and your finger, massage. Okay, everyone. Massage. Massage. You know what is silkworm, right? What is the fruit of silkworm? Mulberry. Mulberry, right?
Mulberry?
Yeah, mulberry. You have mulberry?
So, yun o. Bababa tayo rito. Factory raw. Oh. Let's get budol! Factory.
Ano ba, friend ba?
Uy.
Ciao.
Morning.
And my name is Su Yi, and I will be your guide, okay? During the visit time, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, okay? I'm not good in English, but everyone can understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, right? So please follow me. Please follow me.
Hungry, everyone?
Not yet.
Yes.
Not yet.
I plan for the church, the pink church after lunch, because you know pink church located inside of city center. So it means that we have the timing for big bus. So after lunch we go to pink church, and also now it's raining, right? So a little bit early, but it's 15 minutes from here to the restaurant for lunch. So we go for lunch now. Okay, everyone? Yes. Our lunch today. For our lunch. Let's go. Let each go. We have 4 tables, group 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Remember? Yes, let's go.
Yes. Ere, dito kami magla-lunch. Ayan o. Uy. Naambon. Dito. Ha? Lona lang yung ano.
Tapos may ano.
Oo. Oh. Saan tayo? Dito, dito. Dito. Oh, group 4 dito. Dito tayo, Mi. Ha? Saan? Ah, dyan. Tara na, kain na. Kain na. Ay. Uy, nako. Naalala ko si Maring Aileen. Saka si Maring Nor, dito yata sumakit. Yan. Kumain kami sa ano. Malaysia ba yan? Basta may in-order na tayo. Ano, no?
Thailand yata, Thailand eh.
Sumakit ang ano eh.
Yung talaba ba dyan? Yung talaba ata yun.
Sarap. Oh, sarap. Sarap na tanghalian namin. Oh. Picture muna bago kumain. Oh.
YouTuber, please.
No more budol?
No more budol. No more budol.
You have.
Oh, thank you.
Okay,
you very
smile,
much.
boss, smile, 1, 2, 3. Mommy, love you.
Love you.
Yes. Okay, nice, huh?
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Why don't you eat?
I'm with the driver.
Ayun oh, makiano nga po, makiano. Yan oh. Uy. Sarap naman. Buhay yayamanin.
Kain po.
Salamat.
Nye-nye.
Nye-nye.
Man.
Ayan o. Ayan pa o. Mga buhay yayamanin o. Ayan o. Sarap ng buhay namin. Last day na namin ngayon. Eri pa o. Ayan mga buhay yayamanin. O buhay mayayaman ni Re. Yan ang grupo natin. Salamat. Pero yung amin.
Lumipad na.
Sit down. Wow, today is raining from now until night time. It's raining. We're lucky. It's the last day. Today I will meet another guest at the airport. And then it's weather, so now another worry for me. You know, it's the good weather, so the guests can enjoy much, especially Bana Hill. So today I meet another group, and tomorrow I have to bring them to Bana Hill. And you see, in this weather, then very cold and.
Sumakay sa gano'n, no? Oh, sarap niyan. Pasyal tayo. Oh, pasyal tayo. Ayun, no?
Hero!
Hero.
Hero! Welcome to ride that!
Oh.
We call it cyclo or cyclo ride. They will take you around the city for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. The price is about $20 million.
How much?
So nasa 1,000
For half hour,
1,000
like city tour. Like city tour.
Vlog ko yan.
Oh, yeah. Meron akong...
It's ano na, 61.
Sorry, you are living higher than us. And now we have to pay about 50 peso for 1 liter.
60 something.
And, about
60, 65.
compared to GDP.
At saka sa location.
Now we can pay about 4
Ano? Oh.
Sa Jelly.
kilowatt of electricity.
Pag sa Imo.
Pag nakaalis na si Buso, baka pagpipising na ako. Nabasa? Ayun oh, kahit magaling sa ulan oh, at umaambog pa. Ayan, naglalakad tayo dito sa Vietnam. Pupunta tayo sa Catholic Church. Catholic Church. Ayun. Catholic Church, not Budol.
Catholic Church.
No Budol.
you want, you can Budo inside.
No, no Budol.
Okay, so Budo again. Philippines! Let's go Philippines!
Let's go Philippines. No Budol.
Papa, let's Budo! Let's Budo! I go first. No.
No, stop.
Wait lang, everyone. Wait lang.
Wait lang, sandali lang.
Lang sabi.
Wait lang, sabi!
Tara na! Ready, get ready!
Oh, wait! Where's the bus? That's so big! Wait lang, wait lang!
Wait lang, sandali lang.
Wait lang!
Maraming dumadaan.
That's
Oh, okay.
Oh, tara na,
Oh, tara na.
Ewan! Sinja!
Oh, tara na.
Tara na!
Woo!
Xin chào!
or shy. Saan yung sintas?
Cross.
Home! Okay, let's go! Wait. To rest.
Woo!
Ciao!
Let's move.
Xin chào!
Like Filipinos.
Join the company.
Oh. Ito na yung ating pupuntahan. Oh,
Take a group picture first.
group picture.
Please stay here. Oh, let's
Group
go.
picture.
Picture. Stay here, bro. I think let's go first. Yes.
Ah, dito na tayo, no?
Go around. These church they not open for the tourists. So if you want to pray, you just go there. Put your hand on the door. Or you can go to the right side.
Picture kayo.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yun oh. Pabalik na kami sa bus. Ayan, pabalik na tayo sa bus. Galing na tayo doon sa church. Sa simbahan. Oh, yun oh. Oh, kahit ano oh. Ang dilim oh. Maambon. Pabalik na kami.
Do you love Vietnam? Yes. Do you love Da Nang? Yes. Forget hero. Okay, everyone, let's go. Tôi yêu Việt Nam. Tôi yêu Da Nang. Tôi yêu Europe. Thank you so much. I will send it to my company. Okay. Nobody complain me, right? Yes. It's evident. Everyone, why the number of the guests now coming to Da Nang is too big. We are very shortage of English tour guide. That's why the company will arrange us working like a main guide, stay with you from the first day until almost the last day, and then from 2 p.m. of the last day until about 5 p.m. then we will arrange another tour guide. Yes, my sister here. Lam, please stand up. Let's say Xin Chào. Xin Chào. She's her name is Lam, everyone. So she will take care of you from here to J Museum. At the J Museum, she will prepare bánh mì. Actually, I already booked for the bánh mì. I already booked the bánh mì. Then later she will get the bánh mì, and then she will give you on the way you go to the airport. Okay? So. You know that I'm very sorry for that, because maybe you disappointed a little bit because I'm not staying with you until the last minute, right? But please understand for my company situation, and also understand for me. Life is going on, everyone. Another guest is coming, so I have to go there. I have to take them do the same thing that I just do. Yes. You know, working as a tour guide for more than 10 years, but you know what? It's still very difficult for me to say goodbye. You see, when we met at the first day, we just met at the first day, everybody's still quite, you know, you also, the feeling is quite defensive, right? You don't know who am I, who is hero, this guy is good or bad, something like this, right? It's quite defensive, but day by day, when we talk, when we share, we understand more about each other, am I right? Yeah. We get to know more about each other, and then maybe we like each other, and then to the last day maybe we love each other. You just say you love hero, right? Yes. But when you say you love hero, we have to say goodbye. It's the last day already, right? Am I right? Yes. It's the life of tour guide, everyone. Meeting and say goodbye. Meeting and say goodbye. Yes, it's my life. So now almost 5 minutes more. Actually, this is my second trip, my second group in the New Year's. Yes, my second group in this year, in the New Year's. So tomorrow, when you wake up, maybe tomorrow you have to come back to daily life, right? The normal life already. Your holiday is end, right, everyone? Yes. I hope that you have a good memory here during this time in Da Nang. Also, I wish everybody let's come back home, come back with your normal life. Let's work hard, okay, everyone? Let's work hard. Let's stay safe. Earn money, everyone. Let's earn money. We need money, right, everyone? Let's earn money, and let's go travel, everyone. Go travel a lot. Let's enjoy your life. Okay, everybody? Yes. I wish that everybody always be healthy, happy, and always lucky in your life. God bless you all, both. So now is the last one, the J Museum. Maybe you don't know that I haven't reached my target for this tour. I had the target of...
Yung apo mo, nandun pa. Hindi pa makawala.
Ayaw pang pangawalan.
Kausap mama niya.
Ha?
Kausap mama niya, bibilat din ata.
Oh,
Sabi ko siya, bababa pa eh.
Team Budol ngayon tayo, Team Budol.
Anong nabili niya? Anong nabili mo? Tonya.
Ayun oh.
Kasi ang dami niya pinili.
Ayun oh, Zero. Ayan. Nakapagtayo ka ng Team Budol.
Isang J.
Baka makaano ka na kamo, makaabot ka na sa kota.
Congratulations! Yay! Nabudol din! Yo!
Isa kay Mama's gift ni Tita.
Uy, dami ah.
Sapphire. Pinilang ko si Mama, Tita. Regalo. Binigyan mo. Wala yung blue na bato.
Ganun din, yung
Dapat
regalo ng
pinirigalo
mama
sa
mo,
inyo, walang
napunta rin dito.
Binibigay nga sa akin yung gusto ko 4,000. Ayoko na.
Ayun o. Uwi na. Uwi na. Uwi na. Ala ng budol ngayon. Ayun yung isang ano natin anak. Ayun. O yun o. Nag-aantay na lang kami. Away ka, Mi. Nag-aantay. Konti na lang at sasakay na kami. Check-in na kami, konti na lang. Oh, yun, oh, sitting pretty na. Dito na kami sa sasakayan namin dyan, oh, ayan, gate 2. Hi. Oh, ayan, oh, sitting pretty na kami. Makakauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Yo! Hi.
Basta na ng immigration.
Pasok na kami sa immigration.
Harap ng CCR mo.
Charger. Sakay. Nakasakay na kami sa bus. Pauwi na Maligod. Clarinet. Bus na sasakyan natin. Ayun yung sasakyan natin. Ano? Ulan. Ayun o, nagbababaan na kami. Sasakyan na kami ng aeroplano. Ayan o. Alata. Bababa na kami ng Maligod. Ayan na, nakababa na lahat. Kami na lang natitira.
Tapos ba inumin natin?
Andiyan sa gilid, meron.
Iinom pa kasi
Konti.
ng gamot eh.
Ako maniinom ng gamot mamaya. Ay, nako. Hello. Ay, nakasilong na rin. Come on. Hello. Uy. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Singkamas. Nandito na tayo sa Pilipinas. Singkamas. Dala na singkama. Singkamas.
No more budol!
No more budol. Wala nang budol ngayon.
Ewan ko jacket.
Buta na at di pa nakakalis yung aeroplano. Eh, may backpack. Saan mo talaga?
Eh, nasa iyo, jacket ko lang.
Eh, taga-antay.